the RGV flood from my perspective. Me, water, watery street. Truck puts fucking water in our boots. Ooh, look at his fucking face, you see him? No, he was laughing at us. Oh, it's like I soiled my fucking trousers. Today, he takes his shit.
Hey!
Hello there.
Uber driver.
I wonder where he's going.
Huh?
I wonder where he's going. Or just...
Home? Car stuck in water. We're backing up into the ocean. Okay, let me get my shoes on. We're on the ocean. You're fucking controlling all this. This is badass. Oh my god. Basically, what we just said is that we are the pirates of the Palm Valley. I don't know why it's not like a fucking commentator. You fucking threw water on me! You bitch! Sidewalk, bro.
Yeah. What? Get up.
Memory foam, baby! I break it. I don't break it. Hold
No,
on.
sit. Jump into it and sit.
I'm about to explode. Check this
On
out.
your butt. Okay, that was shitty.
I told you it was gonna.
Yeah, fucking loser. Can't even jump into a chair right.
I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Let me in, bro. I want the milk. Let me in.
Okay, priorities are clamato, eggs, milk. Clamato, eggs, milk. Clamato, eggs, milk. What a hell. What a hell. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ah!